All right, so whenever I'm doing anything like this, we're gonna cut a hole in a fresh panel that we just made. I usually try and make a template like we did here that I can stick on, as well as doing like some center lines or some cross lines so that we can get everything in. You can trace the shape and you can stand back and look at it and make sure that you like where it's at. So for instance, on this particular panel, I wasn't sure if I wanted to center the taillight or if we actually wanted to drop it down into like the bottom 2/3. And after I drew it and stood back and then held a license plate up, I was able to kind of figure out that the center was actually pretty good because the end proportions, when we have a little motorcycle plate on here, it will actually work out really, really nice. So that's a little tip. Make sure that you're drawing your center line or your cross line, and it'll make a little pattern, trace it on. You can stand back. You can always wipe it off with some pre and change it if you don't like it. Once we cut this hole in the panel, then it's a lot more work to fix it and reverse it if you don't like it or if it's really crooked or something like that. So make sure you're drawing all those lines on and checking everything out before you get any tools out and start cutting the metal.